Now today in this particular input bundle, we're talking about input bundle consisting of seed from Pana and Pioneer, and that's coming from Koteva, and from Yara we have the Yara micro planting fertilizer, which is specifically designed for maize. Now the advantage here we're talking about is that farmers, we know they have a challenge of accessing these inputs, either because they have to travel a long distance to go to the market to buy these inputs, but at the same time we know that the soaring prices on these inputs is really putting our farmers at a disadvantage. So we have to come together with as Yara, we've come together with Koteva to roll out an input bundle that not only delivers value in terms of the composition, the quality that we bring, but even more importantly, the cost. So on this input bundle that we are offering farmers, for 1 acre of maize, the farmer is going to be in a position to save up to 800 shillings or more per acre in the cost of the inputs that they are going to use. Now this is quite significant for farmers, and therefore we see it as an opportunity to give farmers an opportunity to increase their productivity in a cost-effective way. And that's the reason why we are here today from Yara and Koteva in Kirinyaga. And this is a program we're rolling out to first, rolling out to more than 100,000 farmers in this region, but scaling it out to the rest of the country.
And today we are here to launch a very innovative idea where we want to introduce to our farmers a package of our offerings on fertilizers, which is really important when it comes to our farming community, and the right type of fertilizer and details around when is the fertilizer supposed to be applied, and really to be able then to get the full value of whatever we will be offering to the farmer. On the Koteva side, we are here to provide the maize hybrid solutions that are suitable for this environment, and more importantly also to be able to ensure that we can support the farmers to extract value and be able to get the full benefit of the yields that they expect.
Ndi murimi ndutaga wira wa kurima muno ni magambebe na no ni maga horticulture na pati imwe marigo, na nyuma njitetwe kithomo ni giki ni undu wa kumenya uboro wa mbegu na fertilizer, na ni tuthomete tukamenya buria tubatie kuthina ona ngikora no tubandaga na ni turimaga umundi ni tuongerwa kithomo na ni twaikia mateta maito kuhusu buria mbei cia fertilizer ithiete iguru, na no twagikirwa kwina bandu tugutinirwa mundu agura bando ya kurima heke imwe ya mbegu na fertilizer. Koguo ni tukenete na mathomo ni makorwo magitutethia muno, ni tondu tutikorwa twina challenge ya kukubana kana gucemania na mbegu ici substandard, na ni twamenya fertilizer ora tubatie gukorwa tukibuthira ibinda riri na riri akwa ni kubanda no boro wa go top dress. Challenge iria tukoretwe twina cio muno ni challenge ya prices cia fertilizer na muno climate change, ni tondu buria riera rithiete rigicenjagia ni turacemania na challenge icu, no ni twagikirwa uboro wa mbegu uria ibatie mbura eno na mweri uyu na ibinda riria riega ria kubanda.